This is a recipe for diced Cashew Chicken Chop Suey, sometimes made with almonds, so it became diced almond chicken chop suey. It was popular at my dad and my grandfather's restaurants, and this recipe appeared in Chinese menus from the early 1900s, and it was popular in Chinatown restaurants up until the 1980s. So just cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. You need 4 to 6 ounces of sliced chicken, so this is from 2 thigh pieces. These are the ingredients that you will need. Preheat a wok at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. So we're going to put some sliced ginger and whole cloves of garlic. So give that a quick stir fry. So you've got the heat on high right now. So we've got about 4 to 6 ounces of sliced chicken thigh. So give that a good sear. So mix in the ginger and the garlic. So chicken has been cooked about halfway through. So just take off the chicken. So you're ready for the next step. Some veggies I'll cut up. So I've got a half cup each of onion, celery, orange pepper, green pepper, red pepper, and some carrots. So just put that in the wok. So if you like your veggies fairly crispy and raw, you don't need to cook too long. The next step, you just need to put some sesame oil in there. Put about a teaspoon sesame oil. You're going to put about a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Then we're going to put a tablespoon of my favorite sauce, the oyster flavor sauce. So you need to cook the veggies anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes. So it's really up to you how tender you want the veggies. So I've got some cashew nuts here. These are already cooked, but I'm just going to grill the cashew nuts. I've got about half a cup of cashew there. So just give that a little sear. So I'm going to make a little sauce. I'm going to put in about half a cup of water in there, maybe a cup of water. Depending how much sauce you want, either half a cup to a cup. You see the water boiling? I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with a 1/4 cup of water. So you can put that in. So we'll put part of it in first, just to make sure the sauce is thick enough. Sometimes you want the sauce a little thicker, so you can put more. So here we put in maybe a teaspoon of cornstarch with a bit of water, so that should be sufficient. So give the veggies and the chicken a final stir fry. There you have it. Chicken guiding with cashew nuts. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.